So if you're not OCD, this style is not going to look very good. So you have to be super, super OCD to get everything perfect. So we're going to give it a shot. Let's see how they do.
I've always enjoyed the arts. I mean, I do pole and I've done some sculpture modeling for artists. So the collaboration piece is really exciting to me. My acro partner and I are here together. So it's fun concept to include other people as one body of shapes.
When I walked in and actually met all of the girls and we've all kind of talked and got to know each other, it's actually a really cool opportunity. They're going to have a really great group of not strangers anymore to see an idea of multiple people coming together, especially knowing that you fit a specific need versus like an idea was kind of cool. So didn't expect to be a part of it. Actually just kind of threw my name in the hat, and it's pretty neat.
I like this style a lot. I like the artsy style. I like getting painted and things thrown at me.
Messy.
Yeah, I like the messy shoots and like the making shapes. So it's a couple of my favorite things coming together.
It's just kind of exactly what I've been wanting to do. I've modeled for like 6 years. I've done a lot of figure work and boudoir, and I got a lot more into acro yoga in the last few months. So this is like, it's not acro, but it's kind of the same speed, and I just really like artistic photography, so I'm excited. I've also never been body painted, so.
I love art, and I love this origami concept. It's super cool. But yeah, I love the photography. I love the art. So it's all really, really beautiful.
My goal is to get the shot. If you have ideas to add in or make it better, great. If you just want to be a part of something, great. You don't have to be anything except just an amazing model here. Like this, elbows squared out, your head all the way to the back.
Here?
That, perfect. Try to lean forward. And that, perfect. Knees out to the side, feet together. Head over down. All right, so this is where it's gonna suck. Try to get your knees as wide as you can. And then, Timmery, let's see if there's enough space there, because your feet will be just to the outside there.
Wider feet?
As wide as you can. Want to check your knees. The line from your knee to be one straight line all the way down. Good.
No.
More, if you can you take your knees out wider and then lower your body. All the heads down. All right, baby looks.
Describe your experience today in the photo shoot.
Cool. Challenging, rewarding, entertaining, and a lot of fun.
Rewarding, challenging, awesome sauce. That's 2 words, but you know.
Enjoyable, passionate, challenging.
For some reason, I thought it was going to be easier. Yeah, the box was slick.
Slippery. It was definitely slippier than I was expecting, but also way cooler, I think, than I was expecting, so.
Excited to see the final result?
Yes. Just the snapshots was very exciting, so I can't wait to see the finished product.
It's always fresh and always fun, and we're very I'll say.
Will you do it again?
Of course, anytime. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I would definitely do it again. It was a lot of fun.
Will you do it again?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, it was really cool.
So
100%. I mean, he was cool, but all the other models were pretty cool too.
he was cool, but
He was alright, but the models, yeah.
Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it. Glad you enjoyed it.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Boom.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.